one. So let's see about additional information about page directive tag. Okay. So all you have seen import. All you have seen import attribute. So additional information about page directive tags. So import attribute always allows import attribute of page directive tag. Page directive tag. Page directive tag allows to import multiple values. Allows multiple values in the form of packages. Values in the form of packages and classes. Okay, packages you will come to know. Java.lang.object, Java.util.data. Okay, multiple packages separated by comma. Separated by comma. Right? Can I use? I think last time also itself I used comma comma. Next. Okay, page. So page directive tags and page directive tag, this page directive tag and its attributes are case sensitive or case sensitive. Unknown attributes are not allowed. Unknown attributes are not allowed. Okay. Now only one attribute, that is import, allows to put the multiple values in a page directive tag. Other than import, any other attribute allows to keep multiple values. All other attributes expect only one value. Okay. So except import attribute, no other attributes, no other page directive attribute, no other page directive attributes is allowed to have multiple values as comma separated as a comma separated list of values. Okay, comma separated multiple values. Except import attribute, no other page directive attributes is allowed to have multiple values with the different values, either in one. Let me add here attribute. There are also attributes attr. So here also you can add attributes, some additional attributes if you want to give. So with one page directive tag, with one tag, or in multiple page directive tags. Tags of JSP. Guys, are you clear about this line? What do I mean? Suppose I'm using here page RQ and here I set buffer. Okay, one time I set the buffer is 20 KB. Right? Right? And the second time again I set the buffer with 40 KB. Allowed? Allowed? I'm not clear about this statement. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. How is it possible? Is it possible? This is one way of explaining about these two lines. Okay. Okay. Either I'm writing two times JSP tags. I'm writing page directive tags two times. Okay. With different values. This is also not allowed. Even someone may say, no sir, better why don't you add a comma separate values here itself, another 40 KB. This is also not allowed. Except import statement. Except import statement, right? I can import this line also. I can import this line also. I can import this line also. If you are not happy with the multiple lines, I can import all our comma separated values. How? Not buffer, use import. This is valid now. This is valid. Java dot util dot. Maybe you are using, you are importing all packages or single package up to your wish. Okay. Java dot line dot. You can work with this. Okay. This is valid. Even if you are not happy with this, even if you are not happy, we can write in a separate line. Okay. This also works. This also works. Clear now? Clear? But apart from import, none of the tag, none of the attributes allows to have multi-lines with different values or same line different values. Now this is multi-line, different values. I can keep in same line with different values. Clear now? I hope you are clear. चलो बस